everyone! I'm so excited to share my latest art project with you today. We're going to create a beautiful arch design textured painting. This is a fantastic way to add some unique and personal art to your space. And it's also a wonderfully relaxing activity. Materials. Here's what you'll need. A canvas of your preferred size. Textured material. I'm using name of material. Plaster paste, but you can experiment with different things like modeling paste, sand, or even fabric scraps. Palette knives or tools for applying the texture. Acrylic paints in your chosen colors. Paint brushes. A pencil for sketching the arch design. One of the best things about this kind of art is how relaxing it is. It's a chance to unwind, get creative, and let your imagination flow. So set aside some free time, put on some music you enjoy, and just have fun with it. Conclusion. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and are inspired to try your own arch. Design textured painting. Remember, there are no rules in art, so feel free to experiment and make it your own. If you create something, I'd love to see it. Share your creations with me. Subscribe to my channel and take care.